Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Doughnut Party Decorations is probably one of the most delightful and whimsical ways to add a sprinkle of fun to any celebration, transforming ordinary gatherings into a sweet, memorable experience that will have your guests exclaiming, "Oh my goodness, these are adorable," with every glance, creating an atmosphere so charming and delectable it's almost good enough to eat. Number 5. Creative Converting Doughnut Time Plastic Table Cover. Add a splash of fun to your party with this delightful plastic table cover. Its vibrant all-over print is sure to bring smiles to your guests. This cover features a charming donut design, complete with colorful frosting and sprinkles. It's the perfect way to set a festive mood. Measuring 54 by 102 inches, it offers ample coverage for most standard tables. Keep your surfaces protected in style. Ideal for birthday parties, dessert gatherings, or even a special office treat day. It creates a fun and cheerful atmosphere. Coordinate with other items from the Doughnut Time collection for a fully themed event. Matching decorations and tableware are available. Made from durable plastic, this table cover is both practical and decorative. It's a simple way to elevate your party's theme. What we like. This plastic table cover features a vibrant all-over donut print with colorful frosting and sprinkles. It's generously sized at 54 by 102 inches, making it suitable for larger tables. If you're planning a donut-themed birthday or dessert party and want a cheerful, eye-catching centerpiece, this is a fantastic choice. Look for coordinating decorations to complete the theme. What people say. They are a good thick material and were very durable. It was fun, festive, colorful, and made the cake table the hit of the party. I wiped it off after the party and I plan on using them again and again. This product ensures quality won't rip or tear easily and is good for a nice size for a rectangular table. Number 4. BeYumi Doughnut Party Tablecloth 4-pack. Make your child's donut-themed party truly magical. These colorful donut patterned covers are perfect for setting a sweet and celebratory scene. This adorable set comes with 4 disposable plastic tablecloths, each measuring 42.5 by 71 inches. They are perfectly sized for your rectangular dining or picnic tables. Spills and crumbs are no longer a worry. Simply dispose of them after the party to save time and enjoy more moments with your children. Ideal for birthdays, baby showers, weddings, or any gathering. Use them for indoor or outdoor activities to add a festive touch. These can also serve as a fun photo backdrop. Hang them on walls or doors to create a whimsical donut wonderland for unforgettable memories. We are here to help if you encounter any issues with your purchase. Please feel free to reach out to us for assistance. What we like. This set includes 4 disposable plastic tablecloths, each measuring 42.5 by 71 inches, perfect for rectangular tables. They are designed with adorable donut patterns, ideal for a kid's donut-themed party. If you need a practical and cute solution for protecting your tables and creating a fun photo opportunity, these are perfect. Their disposable nature means easy cleanup, letting you focus on the celebration. What people say. The donuts themselves are a good size and look realistic. The colors are vibrant and the designs are cute, perfect for a party. They are made of sturdy material and held up well throughout the party. Number 3. Doughnut Grow Up Birthday Party Drawstring Bags. Make your next birthday party extra sweet with these adorable donut-themed drawstring bags. They're the perfect party favor for guests of all ages. Celebrate a special birthday with our Doughnut Grow Up theme. These bags add a fun and colorful touch to your decorations. Fill these with treats and small gifts to create memorable goodie bags. They are a delightful way to thank your guests for celebrating. This set includes 12 durable drawstring bags, ensuring you have enough for all your party attendees. They are designed for repeated use. Beyond party favors, these bags also serve as charming decorations. Hang them up to add to the festive donut atmosphere. The drawstring closure makes them easy for kids and adults to open and close. They are also comfortable to carry around. What we like. This pack contains 12 drawstring goodie bags with a Doughnut Grow Up theme, perfect for a donut-themed birthday party. If you're looking for a convenient and thematic way to hand out party favors to your guests, these bags are an excellent option. They add an extra layer of fun to the party experience and serve as a cute keepsake for attendees. What people say. I definitely like the size as it was perfect for the items I wanted to put in as goodies for kids, and the colors of the bags were perfect for all genders. Our little guests were in awe with these. They are still using them as camping backpacks when playing outside. Stores plenty of toys and gear. Number 2. Juvale Doughnut Themed Party Decorations Kit. Make your next celebration extra sweet with our donut-themed party supplies. This set provides everything you need for a fun and cohesive donut birthday party, creating a festive atmosphere for all your guests. Forget the dishes. Our disposable donut plates and napkins offer a convenient and hassle-free cleanup solution. Simply enjoy the party and discard them when you're done. Crafted from high-quality paper, these donut decorations are built to last and look great. Their vibrant and playful design adds a delightful touch to any event setting. This comprehensive set includes plates, napkins, and cutlery for 24 guests. It's the perfect package for a memorable donut birthday party or any sweet celebration. Whether it's a child's birthday or an adult gathering, these donut decorations are perfect for any occasion. They add a fun element to donut-themed parties and can complement other celebration themes too. What we like. This 144-piece party set serves up to 24 guests and includes everything you need: donut-themed plates, napkins, cups, and cutlery. It's made from high-quality, durable paper with a vibrant design. If you want a hassle-free way to cater to a larger group with a cohesive donut theme, this all-in-one package is ideal. It ensures a festive table setting and simplifies cleanup. What people say. Quality was good for paper items. The plates are very good, they don't look broken, the forks you can't bend easily. The plates are sturdy and will hold up to most anything. Number 1. Bedwina Plush Donuts with Sprinkles, 12-pack. Get a pack of 12 super cute plush donut toys, each measuring 5 inches in diameter. They come in 6 bright, assorted colors with realistic-looking sprinkles. These adorable toys are a guaranteed hit for any donut-themed birthday party. They add a fun touch without any of the sugar. With 12 in a pack, they're ideal for classroom games, filling birthday goodie bags, or as festive donut party decorations. Made from high-quality fabric with a double-stitched finish, these toys are built to last. The sprinkles are stitched in, ensuring no small, loose parts for safe play. We prioritize your satisfaction. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, we'll make it right. These delightful plush donuts are recommended for children aged 3 and up, providing hours of imaginative play. What we like. This pack includes 12 plush donuts, each about 5 inches in diameter, featuring realistic sprinkles and assorted bright colors. They are made from high-quality fabric with stitched details, ensuring durability and safety for children. If you're looking for non-edible, adorable party favors or decorations that add a fun, sugary without the calories element to a donut-themed party, these plush toys are a perfect fit. What people say. The package came with the correct amount and colors, and the sprinkles were so cute. The stitching and material is great for a plushie and for the price. Super soft, so cute, and made great take-home party favors. Highly recommend. So much bigger than I thought, but so perfect. They are so cute and super soft. Perfect addition to my kids' birthday party gift bags. Great quality and size. Colors are vivid and you get a lot for your money. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.